Hello everyone, I'm Michel Bayan, CEO of Direct Tech Labs. I'm going to be leading a workshop at the Seldia conference in Brussels this October, and I want to share you a little preview of what to expect from that workshop. It's called Retention as Growth, and here's some of the things we're going to be covering. First, we're going to be talking about this convergence of artificial intelligence and behavioral science, and how these two things are coming together to help companies around the world give their customers and distributors a better experience, which helps them stay around longer. We're also going to talk about this concept of segmentation, something that's a relatively new concept in direct selling. We've broken our people up into 3 segments. We're going to talk to you about how we've discovered more like 9 unique behavioral segments across the spectrum of direct selling. And next we're going to talk about how e-commerce and gig economy companies, our main competitors in direct selling, already use AI today to extend their customer life cycles, give their people a better experience, which makes them more loyal, makes them stay around longer. And of course, we're going to talk about the true value of retention. Every direct selling company would agree that if they could increase their retention by just a little bit, that would equal a lot of ROI for them, but very few companies know what a lot really is. So we're going to let you leave with a tool that will allow you to create a 5-minute business case of how much ROI your company would get from any increase in retention, a tool that you can take with you as a gift. And finally, we're going to share a case study with you about how we worked with PM International, one of the top 50 largest direct selling companies in the world, to help them increase their retention and accelerate their growth over a 6-month pilot around 3 different continents around the world. So we hope we'll be seeing you there. It's going to be a really fun and engaging discussion. À bientôt. See you in Brussels.